friends, today I will explain you elimination method. Question is solve for x and y using elimination method. You have given two linear equations. One is tan x plus 3y equal to 75, equation 1, and another is 6x minus 5y is equal to 11, equation number 2. Now we make the coefficient of variable y equal to each other. So multiplying by equation 1 by 5, why? Because we are given 5 in equation 2 and 1 in 3. So LCM of 5 and 3, which is equal to 15. So we make coefficient of y are equal, or you say 15. So multiply by equation 1 by 5 and equation 2 by 3. 5 times are 50x. 5 multiply by 5, it's 15y. 75 multiply by 5, it's 375. Equation number 3. Multiply by 3 in equation number 2. So 3 6 are 18x. 3 5 are 15y. 11 3 is 33. Equation number 4. By adding equation number 3 and 4, its plus sign, its minus sign, its plus sign. Plus 15y cancel out by minus 15y, and now we find out easily value of x. 50x plus 18x is equal to 68x. 375 plus 33, which is equal to 408, and value of x equal to 408 upon 68, and value of x equal to 6. Now putting x equal to 6 in an equation, we put here in equation number 1, putting x equal to 6 in equation number 1, tan multiply x, value of x is 6 plus 3y is equal to 75, or 3y is equal to 75 minus 60, 3y is equal to 15, and y is equal to 15 upon 3, 3 5 is 15, y is equal to 5. So required solution is x equal to 6 and y is equal to 5. Now I will explain you fraction type of questions. Question is solve for x and y, and your equation is 3a upon x minus 2b upon y plus 5 is equal to 0. Another is a upon x plus 3b upon y minus 2 equal to 0. In this type of question, we let 1 upon x equal to u and 1 upon y is equal to v. So let 1 upon x is equal to u and 1 upon y is equal to v. So 3a multiply u minus 2b multiply v is equal to minus 5, equation 1. Next is a multiply 1 upon x and 1 upon x is equal to u plus 3b multiply 1 upon y, which is equal to v, equal to 2, equation number 2. Now we make equal coefficient of au. It's 3, it's 1, 3 1 is 3. So multiply by 3 in equation number 2. So we write here multiplying 2 by 3. 3 1 is 3, 3 au plus 3 3 is 9, 9 bv, 3 2 is 6, equation number 3. And equation number 1 is 3 a into u minus 2b multiply v equal to minus 5. Now subtracting the both equation, this is minus sign, this is plus sign, and this is plus sign. Plus 3au cancel out by minus 3au, and plus 9 plus 2, which is equal to 11, b multiply v, and 6 plus 5, which is equal to 11. 11 1 is 11, and value of v is equal to 1 upon v. Now putting v equal to 1 upon y, taking reciprocal on the both sides, so value of y is equal to b. Now putting y is equal to 1 upon b, in equation 2. So this is equation number 2. A multiply u plus 3b multiply value of b is 1 upon b. B cancel out by b, and a multiply u is equal to 2 minus 3, which is equal to minus 1, or a is equal to minus 1 upon a. Now putting u is equal to 1 upon x, taking reciprocal, so x equal to minus a. So required solution is x equal to minus a and y is equal to b. Thank you. Today I will explain you next type of questions. Question is solve for x and y. 5 upon x minus y plus 1 upon y minus 2 equal to 2. And another equation is 6 upon x minus y minus 3 upon y minus 2 equal to 1. In this type of question, firstly we let 1 upon x minus y equal to u, and another is this is 1 upon y minus 2 equal to b. So 5 into u plus v equal to 2, equation number 1. 6 into u minus 3v equal to 1, equation number 2. By using elimination method to find out the value of u and v. So firstly make the coefficient of v are equal to each other. So multiply by 3 in equation number 1, multiplying 1 by 3, 5 means 15, 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, it's equation number 3, and your equation number 2 is 6u minus 3v equal to 1 by adding, changing the sign, plus minus plus, same the sign, plus minus plus 3v cancel out by minus 3v, 15u plus 6u equal to 21u, 6 plus 1 7, and value of u is equal to 1 upon 3, and the value of u equal to 1 upon x minus 1, taking reciprocal, and value of x equal to 4. Now putting u equal to 1 upon 3 in any equation, we put here in equation number 2. This is equation number 2. 6u minus 3v equal to 1. Put here 1 upon 3. 3 twos are 6. Minus 3v equal to 1, or value of minus 3v equal to 1 minus 2. It's minus 1 minus plus, and value of v equal to 1 upon 3. And value of v is 1 upon y minus 2, taking reciprocal, and y equal to 5. Hence the required solution is x equal to 4 and y is equal to 5. Thank you. Today I will explain you next type of question. Question is solve for x and y, and you have been given that two linear equation. One is ax upon b minus by upon a equal to a plus b, and another is ax minus by is equal to 2. Friends, here you have given equation in the form of fraction. So firstly we take LCM, and LCM of BA, it's AB, or you say BA, and we do cross multiplication, it's a square x minus b square y is equal to a plus b. After the cross multiplication, you write here a square x minus b square y is equal to ab multiply a plus b. This is equation number 1, and this is equation number 2. Now you have given coefficient of x is a, and here coefficient of x is a square. So we multiplying by a in equation 2. So a multiplied by a, it's a square x. minus ABY, and 2AB multiply A, it's 2A square B. This is equation number 3. We make coefficient of x are equal to each other and we use here elimination method. We write here A square x minus B square y is equal to AB multiply A plus B. After this subtraction, this is minus sign, this is plus sign, this is minus sign. Plus A square x cancel out by minus A square x. Now we take here y as a common, so write y outside the bracket, and this is plus sign, so firstly we write b square and minus ab equal. Next is we take here AB as a common, so write AB outside the bracket and 2A is remaining, then write minus sign and A plus B. Here you take common B, it's B minus A into Y, AB minus sign, convert the sign, it's minus A minus B, B cancel out by B by taking minus common here, and its form minus A minus B multiply Y, it's A, 2A minus A, it's A minus B, A minus B cancel out by A minus B, and value of Y is equal to minus A. Now value of Y put here in any equation, equation 1, equation B or equation 2, we put here in equation 2, putting y is equal to minus b in equation 2. Your equation 2 is ax minus by is equal to 2ab. So sorry, it's y is equal to minus a. So put here ax minus b multiply minus a is equal to 2ab. Ax minus plus is ab equal to 2ab. Ax equal to 2ab minus ab. Ax is equal to ab. A cancel out by a, and value of x is b. Hence the required solution is x equal to b and y is equal to minus a. Thank you. Today I will explain you question number 15. Question is x upon a plus y upon b is equal to a plus b. Firstly we take LCM. So we write ab, b multiply x, a multiply y, bx plus ay upon ab is equal to a plus b. By cross multiplication we write bx plus ay is equal to ab multiply a plus b. This is equation number 1. Another equation is x upon a square plus y upon b square. Take LCM a square b square. By cross multiplication it's b square x. A square multiplied by y, it's a square y is equal to 2. By cross multiplication b square x plus a square y is equal to 2a square b square. Equation number 2. Now by using elimination method, firstly we make coefficient of x equal to each other. So multiplying by equation 1, by b. B multiply here, it's b square x plus a multiply b, it's aby, which is equal to ab multiply a plus b multiply b, which is equal to ab square into a plus b. It's equation number 3. We write equation number 2, and by subtracting, changing the sign, it's minus 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 b square x, cancel out by minus b square x. Take ay common, b minus a is remaining inside the bracket. Again here we take a b square common, a plus b minus 2a remaining, a cancel out by a, y is equal to b minus a equal to b square, b minus a cancel out by b minus a, so value of y is equal to b square. Now putting y is equal to b square in equation number 1, this is equation number 1, b into x plus a multiply, we put here y is equal to b square, which is equal to ab multiply a plus b, ab multiply by inside the bracket, so bx plus ab square is equal to a square b plus ab square cancel out by ab square, b cancel out by b, so value of x equal to a square. So required solution is x equal to a square and y is equal to b square.